Commander, are you sure you'll be alright?
Don't worry, Helena. No one is here. I'll be okay.
SG, reveal my enemies.
See, everything's fine.
My Shikikan! I knew you'd be here!
I'm going with you, Commander.
So, how's everyone been doing?
I'm doing good, Shikikan. Therapy counseling is going well.
Contractor, you will take me out to what the mortals call karaoke. Or else, I will suck you dry.
Understood, Hindenburg.
I wanna do karaoke too. I have a very special song that I want to sing only for you, my dear Shikikan.
Okay, we'll do so, Taiho. What the? Who are you? This is getting weird.
Little destroyer ship. Only I am allowed to smell and drink contractor's seeds.
Oh, Master, I did not know you had company here. I shall join you.
Wait, formidable.
The maximum weight capacity has exceeded. System shut down.
Oh no.
Oh dear! It wasn't my fault, was it, Master?